Hi friends, thank you for joining me today. My name is Andrea and I've spent a lot of time over the last few years trying out and recreating some of my family's favorite dishes. Today I'm doing something a little different. I admit I have a huge sweet tooth and I usually can ignore it, but lately I can't resist. Right now all I can think about is bubble tea and ube. And then I thought, why not put the two together? So today, friends, I'm going to show you how to make my ube bubble tea with ube pearls topped with ube ice cream. Let's get started. First, we're going to need some fresh ube. About 3 small ones should do. Take your ube and steam them for 15 to 20 minutes. After they're done steaming, let them cool until you can handle them, and then you can peel them. The skin should come right off. Once they've been peeled, you can go ahead and mash them. To make the pearls, combine half a cup of mashed ube together with 2 tablespoons of tapioca flour and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Knead the mixture until well combined and there's no more white left. Next, roll the dough into logs about 1 centimeter thick. Cut them to about 1 centimeter cube. Dust your palms with a little tapioca flour and roll the little pieces between your palms until you get a round little ball. No need to roll until all the tapioca is uniform with the dough. You'll want to keep a little dusting of flour on them to keep the pearls from sticking together. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil in a small pot. Add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. When the water has come to a boil, turn the heat to low and throw in the pearls in batches. Scoop out the pearls when they float to the top and drop them in an ice bath to cool. Once cooled, you can remove them from the ice bath. To make the ice cream, in a medium-sized bowl, combine half a cup of sweetened condensed milk, half a cup of whole milk, 1 cup of whipping cream, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and half a cup of mashed ube. Whisk until well combined. Put the mixture into a medium-sized plastic bag with a zip top. Try to seal the bag with as much air removed as you can. In a large plastic bag with a zip top, combine 3 cups of ice and 1/3 cup of salt. Then put the sealed medium-sized plastic bag into the large one and seal. Shake the bag for 10 minutes, then place your ice cream in your freezer until it's ready to use. Or you can just use an ice cream machine. Skip this step. Alright, now it's time to make the drink. In a blender, combine 1 cup of ube ice cream, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of coconut cream, and 1½ cups of ice. Blend until smooth. Add the ube pearls to your cup, pour in the ube drink, and scoop a big scoop of ube ice cream on top. Enjoy! Thank you again for joining me today. If you tried out my recipe, please leave a comment below on how it turned out. I'd love to know. If you enjoyed my video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more food ideas. Until next time, friends. Mwah!